Hi guys. Today, it's been long time I never had coffee, like long time, years. How many years? I remember that was 2 years ago. Once that I had coffee. Now I just can have coffee. This is, it says decaffeinated, and then I don't put sugar. I just put some fresh milk. But later I will gonna see if the effect is still same like last year. No, walang sugar. I need sugar. I cannot have coffee without sugar, no? 1 tablespoon only. Kasi guys, alam nyo, hindi nyo pala alam, 5-7 years ago tumigil lang ako sa pagkakape kasi nagpapalpitate ako, tapos anxious pala. Tapos basta ang chaotic ng mind ko, na-stress ako, ang side effect ba ng kape. So ngayon ito try ko. I will just tell myself that I don't want to feel that again, na hindi ako magiging anxious later. I will still feel calm later after I have my coffee, because I literally love coffee. Issues. Hindi pa ako nakapagidamisan. Oh my god, hindi lang siya mainit. I-microwave natin. I-microwave ko siya kasi nilagyan ko siya ng fresh milk na malamig. So, kayo rin ba guys, pag nagkakape, parang naano kayo, na-stress, na hindi nyo na alam, na parang balisa, something, yan yung epekto sa akin ng kape. Tsaka, hindi ako makatulog sa gabi. Oh my god, good luck to me later. Kagabi din wala akong magandang tulog. But mag-gym ako later. Yun yung twist. Before, hindi ako nag-gym. But later, mag-gym ako. So, maybe, makatulog pa rin ako mamaya. Or aantokin ako. At saka, iinom ako ng magnesium glycinate. Dati kasi wala eh. Kape lang, wala akong magnesium. So, let's see. Oh my god, oh my god, so yummy. It's been long time never had coffee. 3 years ago, the first time I had my coffee after 4 years that I've never had coffee. Now maybe I have an energy later to go in the gym. Hopefully I'm still calm. I'm not gonna have a palpitation later. We're gonna cook all of this kasi malapit na siya masira. If the broccoli getting yellow here, it means it's almost rotten and it's not edible anymore. So you better cook it while it's still green. Hi, thank you so much, because my boss is not gonna have a lunch here, so it means after I send lunch in kids school, I have time to go to the gym. I will just need to clean so fast or more faster so I can finish earlier. Oh my god, the coffee is not that strong because maybe I put a lot of water. Tomorrow I'm gonna have coffee again because today I am very calm. The coffee will not affect my sleep later. I am not gonna feel tense. I am not gonna feel unsure. I'll be calm. Okay? I am doing the like you have to tell yourself. So your body and brain will follow what you said. Right. Gonna cook rice. We're gonna have rice today. No, actually I cook rice for the kids, but I'm avoiding rice right now. Some carbs. I would just like eat some vegetables. Vegetables also love. Like this one also is kind of carbs, but not that high calories that you can get in potatoes or in rice. Rice have, you know, lots of sugar. This one is lesser than rice. Also this healthy carbs. Rice is healthy carbs too. The unhealthy carbs is just like donut, white bread, a lot of chips. You know, that's the unhealthy one. Yay! I'm so happy. I'm gonna go to the gym. And then I need to buy some notebook because I'm gonna start my journal, my meditation. I'm starting now to meditate. So I always have a calm mind. Someone's here? Okay, yan lang guys. Bye.